Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and a question I get asked often is, how should I pick my new windows for my house? Let's do it. So when I talk about picking their windows, I'm thinking how to determine if it's gonna be a single slider window, if it's gonna be a single hung, double hung casement. What I always tell a customer is, when a window is wide and not as tall, you're doing a single slider window or an XO style window, which is a single slider, or you can do like an XOX where you're gonna have the center that's gonna be fixed and then the two outsides that slide inwards. Now the other thing that we can also do is custom stuff, things that are like casement on the outside, casement on the other outside, picture window on the center. And those are really cool. If you have an XOX style window currently and you're like, well, I wanna add a little flair to the house, how can I do that? Well, maybe you throw some casements on there. Spend a little extra, get a little extra on the face of the house. Maybe you're doing a bay window, maybe you're doing a garden window. And a lot of times you're gonna see that whenever you have a kitchen sink and there's just a slider window and a customer's like, you know what would be really cool is if I could put a plant, you know, or something really cool to look at during my dishes or whatever, right? And they wanna have this cool little garden window. Well, we offer those and most other window places do as well. So if you haven't thought about that, maybe you've never really seen a garden window. Well, it's an option. A lot of times we'll have a customer who has a garden window and they're over it. So they want to change it up completely. So we'll break the stucco and we'll put in a single slider. Lots of different options. Remember, wide windows, you're gonna do some kind of a sliding system. And if they're really tall and narrow, well, maybe you're gonna use something like a double hung window or a single hung. Casements, obviously, just a single casement window. You know, always gonna be taller than they are wide. Hopefully that helps. Very, very simple, it's to the point. You guys, have a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.